for the recipe for borscht, and it's really very easy to make, but I decided that I'm just gonna put it all up here so you can see it. I'm gonna put up a recipe. It's very easy, and when you're all done, you're going to have yourself a delicious borscht. What do you need for that? For that, you need raw beets, onion, pepper, baby dill, cabbage, tomato sauce, ketchup, olive oil, some garlic, couple of potatoes. And if you want to make it with meat, you just take any meat that has a bone on it. Now, I love borscht without meat in vegetarian style, but my husband loves the meat, so we're going to make it today with meat, and you can see how it's done. I have a pot full of water, and what I'm going to do is I wash the meat, and I'm just going to put the meat. While the meat is making, I'm going to saute some onion. And I think that you remember my tip from my last video. If you peel the onion and put it in the freezer for a few minutes, you are not going to cry. So I'm going to chop up the onion. Oh, I forgot, you need carrots as well. And I have some shredded carrots that I'm going to saute with the onion. But first I want to saute the onion where it's nice and slightly brown, so it gives us a good foundation for our soup. I sauteed the onions, the peppers, and the carrots. They're looking nice browny, toasty, and they're good to go. So we're going to let them take peeled beets, and we're going to slice them in the food processor. And Stoli just ran away because he's petrified of the noise. Okay, once that's done, we're going on to the next thing. So the carrots, the onion, and the peppers are done and sauteed. The peeled beets are in the food processor, all done and ready to go. I'm just peeling 2 potatoes, and the only thing left for me to do is cut up the cabbage. I like to get everything ready and put it in all at once so it's nice and easy. Okay, so this is how we cut the cabbage. First, you have to take out the heart of the cabbage because it's way too hard. And the way you cut it is simply, remember this is all gonna cook, so it doesn't really matter. Just make it easy for you. Just like that. Those are the pieces that you need. Now pay attention to my pot. I don't know how many quarts anything is. Like I said, I do everything by the measuring of my eye. So the water, it's full of water. Okay, our meat is now boiling, and what we need to do is take out the foam. Once all the foam is out, what I do is I decrease the fire, and everything that was sauteed goes right into the pot. So that's carrots, onion, and peppers. Okay, and this is gonna be going on for about 20 minutes. I'm just gonna close the pot with a little space and let it be. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. My meat is now, I just moved it to, my meat is now getting softer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in potatoes. Cabbage. gonna add the beets. And a can of tomato juice. Tomato sauce. That's it. That's all I'm gonna do. Okay, so the soup is now nice and ready, and it's about 10-15 minutes away from being done. We're going to add ketchup, maybe 3-4 tablespoons of ketchup. We're going to add salt, and for salt, it's a matter of preference, but usually about 1 tablespoon of salt for such a big pot. And at the end, we're going to put a whole bunch of baby dill. We're going to half close the pot, let it sit for about 10-15 minutes on a small fire. Your soup is ready to be served in 15 minutes.